Winter is long, dark, and cold in our part of the world. Some of us don't see the sun for months at a time. But this makes us good at many things. We're good at finding light in unexpected places. We're good at using the weather to our advantage. We're good at slowing down and embracing shorter days. We appreciate that being isolated is not the same as being lonely, and that it is often a privilege to be alone. But what we're really good at is being together.
Missä vaiheessa sitten ne on?